The first piglets are here. After everything we have gone through on this farm, this moment is different. Because now, we are no longer expecting results. We are seeing them. We are now in reality. This is what we have been preparing for. This is what all the feeding, all the monitoring, all the adjustments have been leading to. That is it. Here we are now. But here is the truth. In as much as we are happy that progress is being made, I also say this: getting piglets is not the end. That is just the beginning. Because now everything depends on survival. And survival depends on management. Again, this is where many farmers start losing value. As we observed the piglets, we are paying attention to their strength, as well as their movement, and also feeding. We are taking care of what we feed their mom, because that is what they are going to get from the breastfeeding. Because these early signs tells you a lot. If you have followed this journey, you know we had challenges. We saw premature farrowing. We saw weak piglets. Then we made changes. And now we are seeing results. This shows something very important. In fact, very significant. Farming is not about perfect conditions. It is about adapting and improving to the situation at hand. If you are serious about pig farming, you need to understand this stage properly. Because this is where profits can increase and also disappear. And right now, we are seeing the first results. But this is not the full picture, because more is still coming. In the next episode, we will see the full outcome, and that is where the journey becomes very interesting. Also comment below, do you think these results will meet expectations? I am Ugocentury. Thanks for learning with us, and see you again, same channel, in our next video.